How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix the generative fill not working in Adobe Photoshop. So if we go ahead and actually select something, we can see that the generative fill is grayed out when the feature is not working. So there's a couple of reasons why this happens. And the first one is because we cannot establish a secure connection on our Adobe servers. So what you want to do is to actually head over to your Adobe Creative, and from there just make sure that you have updated the Adobe Photoshop. This will go ahead and basically fix issues regarding the generative fill. And if you don't see this window, just click on the Windows tab and make sure that the contextual taskbar is enabled. And simply from there, you're good to go. You also have to make sure that you have a strong internet connection and servers from Adobe is not on maintenance. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.